Hi guys, it's Alston. In this video series, we are going to learn how to use Semrush to do PPC keyword advertising research on your competitors and also to find what are the most profitable advertising options you can go after in search traffic. SEMrush provides a lot of tools when it comes to PPC advertising research, from including to do a PPC keyword research tool, a management option within keywords, and also to find keywords from competitors and also to see advertising copies as well. In this video, I'm going to show you all those features and how exactly you can use SEMrush to find those data. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into Semrush Advertising Research tool. Basically, what this tool does, it'll help you to understand your competitors' paid advertising strategies. That is what it helps you to do and create your own campaign on a much more improved optimized basis. It helps you to uncover your competitor ad strategy and their budgets, analyze competitor keyword ads and their ad copies, and assess the PPC competition. Here you come into this tool. It is accessible under advertising tab under advertising research. Enter any domain you wish to check it out for PPC and select the target country and click on search. Once you clicked on search, you will see the data. For example, this is the data. It's showing me the data factors here. We are presented with several sections here. The first one is the position, which shows the total number of keywords which they are running ads on, the number of traffic they are receiving, and how much their traffic is around costing them. So it will give you estimated traffic data, number of keywords. You can see SEMrush as generally declining the number of keyword which they are advertising, and traffic cost data is also shown here. This is for month. I can see 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, all time. So I can get a better idea on that. So this is the basic chart view. This paid search position showing me for all the whichever the keyword they are running ads for. For example, these keywords they are running different ad. For example, for different keyword they are targeting different pages. For example, if it's SEO, they are trying to target this. For keywords, they are trying to target this page. For local SEO, this page. So we can get an idea on how much traffic they are receiving from each of these pages and costs associated with it, competitive density in CPC, result index, all these things, and ranking. All the things are shown here. So this is what this particular table does it and shows all the paid search position for this ad. When you click on position change, basically what position changes shows it like all the Google keyword ad positions, whichever the one improved, new, lost, improved, decline. So this is a new keyword which they are targeting, keyword finder. And if you see the lost section, you will find keywords which they are lost search position. So these are the position which they lost search position. Maybe others started to advertise a lot more. So those data can be seen from here. So competitor, when you go into competitor section, it here will show all the competitive positioning database for the keywords which they are targeting, who are other competitors in this space. So it shows me there are a total of 785 competitors, and based on the competitors keyword target, it will show you the percent and how many common keyword is between you and that particular competitor. So we can get an idea. We can analyze the competitor also in depth by clicking on any of these pages here as well. For example, these are common keywords. You can see the common keywords by linking into it. Search keywords, you can linking into it. Clicking on here, it will open this competitor in the analytics section, and we can analyze that advertising strategy. All those data can be done under from competitors. Then we have ad copies. Here where it will automatically show all the ad copies run by Semrush in this example. So we can see the title, which is the URL they are using, what kind of ad. So we can also sort this by number of keywords ascending or number of keyword descending. So the most amount of keywords are trying to target this kind of ad. Try Semrush for free. So with 17 keywords, if I click here, it will show all the keywords which this particular ad copy is targeting. And I can also see other section also. For example, how to rank with rank on Google, they are targeting these keywords. So depending on that, I can see the ad sets along with the keywords which they are targeting. I can also use filters here. I can filter it by product title. All those options are available. When I click on ad history, it basically will give you a full history on the ads. Let me show you how it will look like. Basically, this will show you that list of keywords here, coverage, last month, and every month on the year calendar. For example, it shows the last month data, and you can see these data. For example, only on SEO tools, during August and September and October, they were not getting the first position. Apart from that, they got the first position. So we can see a general overview idea. For example, the 0 saying that it didn't rank at all. So we can see and identify what it was the issue and maybe increase the budget or target it much more heavily. We can try to cover this keyword on that month as well. So we can see that old data with the along with the keywords, search volume, coverage, how much coverage we got. For example, I can sort this like in a lower to higher standpoint. Maybe if I do that, what it will do, it will show you the very poor coveraged keyword for me. So maybe I can do a better job of doing a better optimization for this keyword on PPC. So that is what domain ad history shows. When I click on pages, this is only available for Guru and business, so I'm not able to access to that. But basically, paid pages will show most of the ads which receiving most of the pages which receiving most amount of paid traffic data for you. So you can see these are the pages which is receiving a lot of traffic. The product SEO challenges is receiving around 13.7k traffic. It is that around 28% of traffic and 90 keywords are ranking on that. So that is what it shows the paid data here with the backlink section also. Subdomain, same issue. Here it shows page, here it shows the subdomains which is getting a lot of traffic from ad traffic. So those are the data which you can find within advertising research. It provides a lot of informational important information related with Google AdWords PPC data, which can use to do a competitive PPC analysis and to do a better search engine advertising campaign for your product. Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to look into PPC keyword tool of Semrush. Basically what this keyword tool does is to help you to create keyword PPC keyword campaigns, keyword groups, category campaigns and everything, which you can use it to run your PPC campaigns within Google AdWords or other networks. So in order to use this tool, you need to come under advertising section, go into PPC keyword tool. You can either use one of your project which you have already set up or create a brand new project. For example, I am going to use this as an example and click on setup. Here you can add keywords here where you will already have keywords, list of keywords you want to target via paid ads. If you have, you can enter it manually, or from Semrush itself you can try to bring some keywords, or from text file you can import it, from CSV you can import it, or Excel file. In this example, I might use Semrush as an example. Marketing and click on add. I can also select the number of keywords I want, and it automatically adding 20 different keyword. Just for an example's sake, select a group. Auto grouping option is also, I can select it and click on select, and I'm going to select a country. And I can also select any city or state option also. If I want, I can do that. Once I select all the option which is interesting to me, and you can see it gives you a basic example. With CPC keyword tool, we are determined to help optimize, facilitate daily grind of PPC specialists, making the process of managing keywords efficient and stress-free. Campaign ad group keywords were created. Go to PPC keyword and it automatically gives you an example. Like, first way, they have a really good help section. Then they are saying here we can manually create or manage all the campaigns and groups list within our keywords. Next, we have the option to import more keywords. Like we can import keywords anytime we wish to from various different options are available. Then we have click to automatically find and remove duplicate keywords within different campaigns in your PPC campaigns. Then we have the option to do certain actions such as grouping, refining keywords, moving all to a selected keyword to a negative list, all these things. So you can see clean keyword, add match type, move to negative, move to group, delete selected, auto grouping, create groups, all those options are available. Then we have to have the option to click to find all intersecting keywords in ad groups within a campaign to add them to a negative list in an ad group level. That option is available for you. Then you can also obviously switch between keywords and negative keyword list for any campaigns anytime. And finally, you can export this data, which you can import into Google search, Google PPC adverts section, and to use that as well. So you can create new group here you want, for example, something like this. You can group it, add keywords to this group, automatically remove duplicates to this group from any section conflicting issues, negative actions, all the different options are available for you. Once you obviously do this, you can obviously click on here and export this to a CSV, and based on only default campaign or just a basic whatever the data you want to enter, and click on export. All the data will be export in a PVC suited format, which you can use to your ad campaigns and all this data. So this is where the PPC keyword tool under Semrush will be helpful for you. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into Semrush Ads History tool. Basically, what this tool will help you to do is to see past ads or all the ads for this particular keyword. So when you enter a keyword, it will find all the PPC ad it has on its database and display to you with all the information it has on it. In order to do that, I'm going to click any example here, maybe something like loans. And when I give that as the keyword, it automatically will say these are the site which is actually trying to create ads for the particular keyword. So tuition chart ad traffic, for example, net credit is getting around 88,000 ad traffic, total number of price, ad keywords, all the data is showing here with the position section also here. So if you can scroll down, you can see all the data here, and obviously it has links to all the different section. So maybe something like this interests you. When you click on it, it is going to go back into advertising research, which we covered, and going to see that data, all that in depth for you. So that is where ad history comes into play, where rather than entering a domain name which you are not sure which is they are running ads, you enter a keyword and it will find all the domains which is running ad campaigns for that particular keyword. Then do analysis on that domain to find more keyword opportunity in PPC for you. So that is ad history tool within Semrush. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look into PLA research tool within Semrush. Basically, this is a tool you can find within advertising. Under market analysis, you can find PLA research tool. I have entered ebay.com as an example. Just before going into it, PLA means Google product listing ads, where within Google search results, you can advertise for products and show those data within that. For example, maybe you type something like digital camera, you will see digital camera products, running shoes, and you will say find running shoe models. So when you create ads like this, it is called product listing ads. So that is where this product listing ad research tool comes into play within Semrush, because when you enter a domain, can be competitor or your target domain, it will show if that domain has any PLA research, PLA listing ads for them. For example, here is a very popular example for PLA domain, PLA listing ads, because they sell products on their site. So you can see for around 1.7 million ads are being shown with this amount of keyword. So they are really big. So you can see the growth on their PLA ads over a year. We can see for 2 year data, all time, we can see all the data here. And under the positions, we can see the data from like for whichever the keyword they are running these ads and what page they are linking it out. So we can see the position data and we can see the differences and everything. I have a pro plan, but more data is only available on business plan from Semrush here. When I click on competitors, it will show you for eBay based on this product listing and who are the competitors. For example, Walmart is a competitor for them, Amazon is a competitor for them, Etsy, all the Home Depot, all these things are shown here for you can see, because Walmart is running around this amount of PLA keyword, Amazon is running campaign for this amount of keywords. So you can see these are really huge players. So it does not need to be only huge. For example, maybe your competitors are running PLA ads, they might be doing something on a low scale option. So you can try to duplicate their strategy, see what works for them, or find hidden strategy on position on keywords and go after them as well. Next, we have PLA copies, where now you're able to see the copies which they are using for various products. Unfortunately, here also the data is limited. So just keep a note of it. If you want to do an in-depth PLA analysis, you need to have a business subscription plan. Otherwise, you will only see a basic summary view on every single one. Here it will show the ads and the keywords which that ad as a link to it. But that is also, you can see, it is not available for everyone. So that is the data available for you within PLA research tool.